Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we are going to discuss about Caldera, Red Team emulation. So, in this tutorial, we can demonstrate an open source breach and emulation framework through which a Red Team activity can be conducted with a SA. It focuses on micro solutions and has tons of other functions that can be used in the activity. So, what is Mitre attack? So, Mitre framework provides a list of tactics and techniques and procedures, TTPs, and their corresponding or subsequent arranges in the well-structured form, which can be used in the red team activities. So, basically, we come to Caldera. So, what is Caldera? Caldera breaches an emulation a tool designed to easily automate advisory emulation, assist manual red teams, and automates incident response. The framework consists of two components like core system. This is the framework code consisting of what is available in the repository, including an asynchronous command and control like a C2 servers with the REST APIs and web interfaces. And you can get like a plugins. These repositories expand the core of framework capabilities and provides additional functionalities. Example include the agents and reporting the collections of TTPs and more. So what are the dependencies we require here? Any Linux or Mac OS or Windows, choose your based on operating systems. Python 3.7 above you need to use. And recommendations like 8 GB RAM or else 2 CPU processors is required. And also required a Golang operating system. That's it. So we will go further now for installation. You can type git clone recursive. This is a Caldera. I already installed the directory because it's a lengthy process to install here. So now you can type cd Caldera. Now you can type a list. You can type pip3 install minus requirement.txt. So it's done. So now you can type python 3 server.python and insecure. So first time it will look like a stuck this one. So you can wait like 10 to 20 seconds. Let's see. Then you can type. So now you can see first time it will stuck. So the SSH port listeners is everything is done here. So now what you need to do here. So let we can open a browser. You just minimize this one. Open a browser. So now you can delete this one. Now click on your local host with this IP port number 8888. So now you can come to the login interface. So here you no need to worry about the username and passwords. It's already inbuilt. The username is red. So because it's a red team pen testing, and password is admin. So just log in. So you have login into the interfaces now. So once you have login into the interfaces, you click on under the campaigns as a agents. Okay. Okay, so you can see like this and interfaces in the agents. So you can see the plugins here. So first of all, we will discuss about plugin plugins and the what is that use. So access the plugin. Red team initialize the access tool and techniques. Atomic. Okay, so atomic red team project of TTPS builder. Here no have, but inside they have uh, dynamically compile the payloads. Call tag embedded ATT and CK website. Compass ATT6 visualization. Debrief, Operation Insights, EMU, CTID emulation plans. They have like many plugins inside, but it's not available here to show. Like field manual, it's a look for documentation, game board, visualize a joint red and blue team operations. Human, create a simulate noise and endpoints. Manage, shell functionalities and reverse shell payloads. Mock simulates agents in the operations. Response, incidents response. Sandcat. So here I have Sandcat. So Sandcat defaults the agents SSL, enables the HTTPS in Caldera, a stockpile, and training, certification and training courses. So that's it does not require. So first of all, to know about more practical plugins, flow these links here, more things. Now let's see in the agents tab. Okay, in the agents tab, the advisories and operations make up the campaigns category, which may be used to build up the numerous agents and advisories, and operations need to red teaming operations and advisory emulations. So first of all, we would like to deploy an agent. So you just click on the deploy an agent, then click on the agent. So you can choose ragdoll, a Python agent which communicates via HTML. So that platforms is uh, Linux. So I choose a Linux. So once I choose the Linux, it shows all. So as soon as here everything is applied here, server and HTTPS and curl. So I just copy this one and copy and paste it in the Linux machines. Okay, so Linux machines, we go for, I can try to do it in the uh, first of all, okay, let it be Linux only. So Python is not installed. Uh, so okay, let it be. So we'll try this one in the here itself. Uh, so it's not gonna be happen. So I try in the another terminal with the okay, come back here. I try in the another terminal. Let's see. Paste it from clipboard. So it's install the payload automatically once you have done sending and running the instructions. So once you have done this one, you can see here uh, the instances it came here. Okay, the guy is already in our terminal. That's it. Okay, the IP address of the system is in our terminal. So this is our thing. So now click on deploy an agent. So we will go with Manex, a reversal agent with communicating via TCP contact. So now I can use the Windows. So this is the Windows. Uh, so I can use only the one copy code. Okay. Then I will use in the my Windows system. Okay. So I open the PowerShell. So I just enter. So now click on close. Let's see it's active or not. No, it's not active. You can see yes for Windows. Now we can copy and we can paste. Why? Because here the error is coming. This is in the I use like in the RDP, and number two is mistake is I run this one in the local host only. That's it. So you can use a public IP address in the form of here. You can use any type of port and you can execute it automatically using the showdown, any type of things, and you can connect automatically from here. Okay, so it's required compile of a peer-to-peer agents, and it's so let's see without a go line it's gonna be work or not. We try with Windows. So PowerShell. So we try with another PowerShell. Why showing only 00? So we enter the command. Okay, let's see either how this will get a results is connected or not. No, this PowerShell is not coming up. So we can try it. Only have this PowerShell. So it's not working because in this will work with local host to LAN to WAN or WAN to LAN also, but it's required to install in the system like some type of operating systems or coding languages like Golang, Python, C, C++, or else Java or DBMS or SQL. If that is installed, you can get the access directly from there. So just move it out this one. So just come back. So now we have seen this one live. So you can see this an ability of specific attacks on the technique and techniques platform is Linux, and we tried with Windows. It's not gonna be happen. So now we can go for to abilities. In the abilities, you can click on the platforms like driving Windows or Linux and everything. As you can see above that, we can select the platform related of TDPs. Uh, Let us take a discovery of Tatix and Linux platform that has the same thing. So we just only have only the Linux things. So we can see what we can do. One main sleep, advanced file search stager, check a Chrome, check a Python, compress a Git repository, compress a stage directory, copy the WinRM or SCP, create staging directories, current users, delete payload. So you see many things you can see from here. Enumerate Linux enumeration and privilege escalation discovery script. You can execute from here directly everything, whatever you want. So current users, you can see crypto Monero mining. So you can directly install the payload directly into the client system. So we can see compare, say copy a. So we can see crypto Monero things, ID, name, and everything. Linux, yeah. So we just set up like operations, then click on save. Once you have saved the operations, then click on close. Once you save the operations, now click on the operations, then click on the select tab, but it's not it came here. But click on create operations, operations name, uh, Monero, advisory, advanced thief via Dropbox, advanced thief by GitHub, Git, allies collection, enumerator, everything you can get like Windows WARM 1, WARM 2, WARM 3 or shell to bypass, noisy. So we want to set up the enumerating the thing. Uh, just basic is enough. Then click on start. So the system started in their Monero's mining. So this is how the setuping of with Caldera run as. They put like one run. So the system that will be used for Monero mining. So the botnets they set up like this. So we will see more operations. So now we can create one more operations. So just create one more operation like test one. In the advisory, we go for discovery. then click on start. So you can install here like a manual command. Yeah, yeah, Mike. So once it's done, it's like you will get like a green green with the link. So once the client is touch that one, so you can execute from here whatever you want, like dump a history, add. So you can add many things in the this Caldera. So once now you can see you already got identify the active users and processor ID and manual command. So once that executed, you will get everything here. So you can execute like this from here, and you can export the result from here. Okay. Then once you export the results, you can view in the PDF. So we have for the full of conclusion, we have this has been able to perform advisory simulation with the help of Caldera using a framework of red, purple, or team activities using the can be easily performed. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.